up, friends in beauty? It's your best friend in beauty here, Aquia Robinson, and today is a vlog. I thought I would take you along with me. I'm about to head out to the Black Hair Experience. It's a pop-up art exhibit. I got an invitation, a special invitation to come before it opens up to the public, and I have a +1. I'm taking my friend with me, but my other +1 is you. So Black Hair Experience is just a pop-up art exhibit celebrating Black hair and Black culture. So I'm about to go and create some content. So I thought I would take you along with me, along with my +1 in real life. She's outside, ready to go. So come on, let's go. Say hello to Cash. Before I head out, I gotta go put you in the room to keep you away from elegance because we have a pit bull as well. I don't know if you all know I have a pit bull, but my little baby here, gotta go keep her safe. So I'm about to go put her in the room, then head outside to my friend. Y'all, the craziest thing just happened. I came up here ready to feed Cash her lunch. I put it in the bowl before I went downstairs. I come back and it was empty. I thought I was tripping. The dog ate it. I know she ate it. She about to get a spanking. Look at Cash. Is she cute? Budget. We're on our way to the Black Hair Experience. My friend doesn't want to be on the vlog, even though she looks super cute, but whatever. I need my GPS, so I will check back in when we get there. Made it to the Black Hair Experience. It says over 25 photo-worthy exhibits. It's so cute. I love the advertising out here. So I'm guessing we go this way. Maybe. I don't know. It's so cute. Hi. How are you? Good. Hi, lady.
How are you going?
Good.
If I could just get you to start off getting the temperature. All right.
It is super cute in here. Yes. Look at that. Oh, look at this right here. Yes. I remember I used to get my hair braided. It's so cute. Definitely, like, but they went more heavy duty. I remember this, like, the sound and the smell mostly. Not this, but the worst time I went to the hair salon. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun.
So much fun.
Thank you so much for the invite. This is my +1, my girl Crystal, my best friend in beauty, okay? Since day one, A1. This is so much fun. I love this.
Make sure you guys come out if you can, if you're in the DC area.
Yep. The shizzle. Let's go through this gift shop, see what they got in here. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. I love these. I want those. Oh, see. This one's so nice. Oh, I see some stuff I want.
That's like more of a type.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great.
Welcome to the Hair Oil Lab.
This is amazing.
We have our elements board right here, which tells you how great black hair is.
Wow.
We also have our oils here for you today. We have our Restore oil,
Nice.
and we have our Repair oil.
Okay.
Would you like to have a sample for today?
Sure.
Would you like Restore or Repair?
What is the difference?
Okay, I'm glad you asked.
I think I'll do Restore then.
Restore?
Yeah.
That's for you.
Thank you.
We also have our beautiful Wakati dorm room right here
So
that
cute.
has all the nice HBCUs in it.
Okay. Oh, that's cute.
If you need me to take any pictures of you, let me know.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
right
so
here.
much. This is so cute. Where in the world? Oh, wow. So that is it for today's vlog. We had an amazing time at the Black Hair Experience. Thank you so much to Wakati Hair for having us. It actually opens up to the public on May 15th. So the day of this vlog is going to be the 16th. But make sure you go out. It's down at the National Harbor in Maryland, DMV area. So if you are in the DMV area, make sure you go and check out the Black Hair Experience. It was lit. It was so lit. Like, such an understatement. We had an amazing time. So we'll talk to you next time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. Give me a thumbs up if you like vlogs, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.